BR Code Scannable Solutions, powered by the BitRip app, offers a variety of products that allow you to connect physical locations to digital information quickly, easily, and safely. The types of product are paper tape, duct tape, and labels. Ideal for indoor use, FL227BR scannable paper tape codes are pre-printed, can be torn at any length, and will conform to a range of surfaces and substrates. PC627BR scannable duct tape codes are built for durable adhesion to multiple surfaces and are constructed with a waterproof backing, allowing for indoor or outdoor use. PSL BR scannable labels and PXL BR heavy-duty scannable labels peel off individually for ease of use, while providing quick, easy, and permanent adhesion to a variety of flat surfaces and substrates. Organize and store information quickly and efficiently with Duct Pro by Shurtape BR Code Scannable Solutions, powered by the BitRip app. Stick, scan, connect.